Hey everyone, welcome to a new video about why the theme park of this video is going to be the best theme park of Europe. This park has a $1.5 billion investment planned, and today we are going to talk about what is going to change for this theme park in the nearby future. People who are following our channel probably already know that we are talking about Disneyland Paris. Let's find out why this is going to be the best theme park and what will be changed. A while ago, Disney announced a big investment into Disneyland Paris. They are going to invest $1.5 billion towards upgrading their park in Paris. The $1.5 billion investment is going towards Disney's Hollywood studio. The park recently announced their new concept and the new name of Disney's Hollywood studio, which is Disney Adventure World. In 2023, the Avenger campus has opened, and this was the first launch of the refurbishment and expansion plans of Disney's Hollywood studio. In spring 2025, the first new area will open its doors. It is called the World of Frozen. The wintry home of Queens Anna and Elsa will be located along the edge of Adventure Bay, a majestic lake surrounded by picturesque banks and a promenade at the heart of the park's expansion. It will serve not only as a gateway to the new themed worlds that will surround it, but also feature a unique entertainment stage with a 360-degree viewing area. Complete with fountains, music, lights, and special effects, it will be fitted with the latest technologies for water-based entertainment. In the evening, the lake will be able to host shows. To join the existing park, they will create a promenade with gardens, including one dedicated to Toy Story and a Rapunzel attraction for little children. See the Tangled floating lanterns gleam, continuing towards the new promenade Adventure Way. You'll discover an all-new family attraction. Raypon's Tangled Spin, inspired by the beloved Disney animation movie Tangled, will take you on a spin through the iconic floating lantern scene before setting off to try the delicious dishes over at the Regal View Restaurant and Lounge. This new table service restaurant will offer you specular views of Adventure Bay, along with a chance to meet some of your favorite Disney princesses. Once outside, you'll find yourself right in the middle of World Premiere Plaza, the new Art Deco-inspired theater district, currently celebrating Walt Disney Animation Studios and Pixar Animation Studios. If you've been in the park recently, you may notice Walt Disney Imagineering Paris teams are already hard at work turning the former Central Square into something quite special. That was quite a bit to share, but we have even more. From hotels to entertainment, the entire resort continues its multi-year transformation. Transformation continues at Disney Village. Disney Village continues its transformation as the current shops are gradually being redesigned to pave the way for new experiences. This makeover includes the introduction of a new Disney lifestyle shop and a Disney home store by the end of the year. Plus, the current Disney store will also be reimagined later on. We're also excited to confirm the refurbishment of the Lego store, including new photo opportunities, awe-inspiring big builds, and interactive playstations. Waddle over to New Disney Davy Crockett Ranch Bungalows. Earlier this year, Disneyland Hotel reopened its doors with a regal makeover, but that's not all. Disney Davy Crockett Ranch Bungalows are receiving a new look too. The project will start this year and elevate the hotel's theming with nods to the Junior Woodchucks, together with Donald Duck and his friends. The new experiences and never-before-seen scale expansion at Disneyland Paris is just one of the many ways Disney Experiences is turbocharging growth around the world. After all these great new upgrades and openings, Disney will announce their new park, which will probably open around 2030 to 2036. It's looking like Disney may not be moving forward with Star Wars: Galaxy's Edge in Disneyland Paris after the park's latest expansion update, the third land in Walt Disney Studios. Park's ongoing expansion is now rumored to be themed to The Lion King and will feature an e-ticket water ride. If true, then this will be the first Lion King-themed land in the world and a fantastic addition to the Disneyland Paris resort, which is in need of an exclusive attraction. There is something so unique about the possibility of Disneyland Paris gaining a Lion King-themed Splash Mountain, and I think the attraction would be a great addition to the park. There are allegedly early plans for Avatar: The World of Pandora to be built in the near future following the Lion King land. This has been a popular online rumor over the past few years, and if built, it will likely be home to Flight of Passage and not Na'vi River Journey. A similar plan was rumored for Shanghai Disneyland some time ago. With a new Avatar experience headed to Disneyland in California, there could be some similarities with the two projects moving forward, perhaps. This is the reason why Disneyland Paris is going to be the best theme park of Europe. For us, it definitely already is the best theme park of Europe right now. Thank you for exploring the future plans of Disneyland Paris with us. Disneyland Paris awaits you with open arms and unforgettable adventures. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more magic and tips for your next trip to the most magical place in Europe. Also, check our description for links to all of our favorite Disney products. See you soon at Disneyland Paris.